Good day everyone. Today I will discuss the principles of high quality assessment. How to clarify learning targets. Educators have typically used Benjamin Bloom taxonomy, in which it is a classification system used to define and distinguish different levels of human cognition. Eventually, Bloom's taxonomy was divided in three domains: cognitive targets, affective, and psychomotor targets. These targets can be summarized as the knowledge, reasoning, skills, products, and affect. Now let's go define them all. Knowledge. Bloom's taxonomy lower thinking skills of remembering, understanding, and applying. Example, target behavior, spell word correctly. Possible assessment, quizzes and essays. Reasoning. Thinking skills of analyzing, evaluating, and synthesizing. Example, target behavior, solve math problems, possible assessment, essays, and observations. Skills. Use knowledge and reasoning in real-life authentic assessment. Example, target behavior, speak foreign language, possible assessment, observation, and rubrics. Products. Substantial and tangible output that showcase a student's understanding and skills. Example, target behavior, create a web. Possible assessment, rubrics. Lastly, effects. Pertains to attitudes, interests, and values students manifest. Example, target behavior, positive attitudes. Possible assessment, surveys, and observation. Appropriateness of assessment method. Appropriateness of assessment method determines if an assessment tool is suitable for the type of topic used as learning target. These are written response instruments, product rating skills, performance tests, oral questioning, observation, and self-report. Written response instruments. This includes objective tests, essays, and checklists. Objective tests commonly assessing levels of hierarchy of educational objectives. Examples, fill in the blanks, identification, enumeration, and matching types. Essays can test the student's understanding about a certain topic, for it asks the students to explain that topic briefly. Checklist is a tool teacher can use to make sure that their students have met all requirements. Product rating skills. Similar to checklist except that they indicate the degree of accomplishment rather than just yes or no. Performance test. It is an assessment based on observation and judgment. It is used to determine whether or not an individual behaves in a certain way when asked to complete a particular task. Next is oral questioning. These assessment objectives are to the student's stock knowledge and to determine the student's ability to communicate ideas in a coherent verbal sentence. Lastly, observation and self-report are useful supplementary assessment methods when used in conjunction with oral questioning and performance tests. Let's go to the properties of assessment methods. Assessment method should possess qualities in order to be efficient in reflecting students' performance. If these qualities are not present, then the evaluation and assessment will be questionable. Generally, assessment method should possess the following: validity, reliability, fairness, positive consequences, practicality and efficiency, and ethics. Let's go define validity. Test users needs to be sure that the particular assessment they are using is appropriate for the purpose they have identified. Second is reliability. If a person takes the test again, will she or he get a similar test score? If the test yields similar scores for a person who repeats the test is said to be measure a reliability. Third is fairness. It is important to ensure that the learner is informed about, understand, and able to participate in the assessment process and agrees that the process is appropriate. Fourth is positive consequences. When a teacher gives the students a compliment or reward, there is a potentiality that the students will improve their motivation and self-esteem. Practicality and efficiency. Meaning to say, the assessment must be easy to design, easy to administer, and easy to score. It is economical to deliver, it is not excessively expensive, but valid and reliable. Lastly, ethics. Conforming to a variety of issues pertinent to tests and assessments, namely cross-cultural applicability, translation, guidelines, privacy, feedback, and others.